Now we move to lesson 3, unit 1. The title said he was floating when he felt something push him. This text includes a story. I will begin reading it. It was a calm morning in the beautiful seaside town of Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. 20 years old Zaid Tariq, a tourist from Iraq, was floating peacefully 150 meters from the shore when he felt something push him. I didn't know what it was, he told reporters. I thought perhaps my airbed had hit a piece of wood. Then it pushed even harder and I fell into the water. That's when I saw it was a shark. He was trying to swim away when the shark bit his arm. Tariq, who was losing a lot of blood and thought he was about to die, screamed as loud as he could. I was praying to God to save me, he said, when some dolphins swam up and frightened the shark away. There were at least 6 of them, and they made a circle around me. The shark couldn't get near me. Coast Guard Jamil al-Alawi heard Tariq's screams and rescued him by boat while he was giving Tariq first aid on the boat. His partner Ahmed al-Masri called the emergency services. An ambulance was waiting for Tariq on the shore and he was immediately taken to the hospital at Sharm el-Sheikh. It was the most frightening day of my life, Tariq told reporters from his hospital's bed. That shark wanted to have me for breakfast, but the dolphins saved me. Thank God. Now we have here some important meaning about this text. For example, shark means al-qarsh, calm, هادئ. Seaside, قرب البحر. Tourist, سائح. Floating means move slowly on water. Peace, بسلام, peacefully, it is an adverb. Coast Guard, خفر السواحل. First aid, إسعافات أولية. Partner, شريك. Emergency services means الطوارئ. Ambulance, سيارة إسعاف. Immediately, حالا, at once. Thank God, شكرا لله. So this text, إذن هذا التكست يتكلم عن ولد عمره 20 سنة اسمه زيد طارق، كان يعوم بسلام في أحد شواطئ شرم الشيخ. He was a tourist، طبعا هو كان سائح from Iraq، and بينما كان عائم 150 متر عن الشاطئ حس إنه أكو شعر بشيء دفعه. عندما أحس إنه الشيء هو بالبداية قالهم للريبورترز، يقولهم للصحفيين إنه اعتقد إنه هذا الشيء هو قطعة خشب، لكن بعد ذلك أصبح الشيء عندما يدفعه أكثر وأكثر شعر إنه أكو شيء بالماء، بعدين شافه هو القرش. طبعا هو حاول أن يسبح بعيد عن الشاطئ عن البحر، لكن القرش bit his arm يعني عض ذراعه وكان ينزف الكثير، لذلك قام وكان يعتقد أنه هو على وشك أن يموت، لذلك كان هو screamed as loud as he possible يعني كان يعيط بأعلى حسه and كان يصلي لله حتى ينقذه. عندما بعض الدلافين حست به وسوت همت بإنقاذه بأن عملوا دائرة وأنقذوا زيد طارق من القرش، خوفوا القرش بحيث ما يقدر يوصل لطارق. اللي سمعه هو أحد الكوست جارد، أحد خفر السواحل اللي هو جميل العلوي، اللي سمع صراخ طارق and rescued him يعني أنقذه بالقارب عن طريق قارب. وأثناء القارب أثناء ما دا يوديه للساحل حط يعني سواله إسعافات أولية. والشريك مالته أيضا بخفر السواحل اللي استقبله بالساحل هو جميل العلوي، العفو أحمد المصري، اللي هو called for the emergency، يعني دز على خفر السواحل ودز على الامبولانس سيارة الإسعاف اللي كانت تنتظره بالساحل، وأخذوه إلى المستشفى. وقال لهم للصحفيين هناك كان القرش يريدني كوجبة إفطار إلى، لذلك أني كان هذا اليوم هو أكثر يوم مخيف بالنسبة إلي. هذه كانت قصة زيد طارق when he was floating in شرم الشيخ Egypt. Lesson 3 talks about, this text talks about Zaid Tariq. He was 20 years old and he was a tourist from Iraq. He was floating peacefully at Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. At a calm morning, في يوم هادئ, he was floating on his airbed peacefully. He felt something push him, and that was a shark. And the shark bit his arm. Who saved him? Dolphins. 6 dolphins made a circle around him and saved him. Also, the Coast Guard, Jamil al-Alawi, he saved him by boat. And also Ahmed al-Masri, he was waiting him at the shore, and an ambulance was also waiting him and take him to the hospital. He was floating when he felt something push him. كان يعوم زي طارق عندما أحس شيء يدفعه. هذا التكست be many questions, many important questions. Okay, question number 1: how was the morning in the beautiful seaside town of Sharm el-Sheikh? It was a calm morning. 2: where was Tariq on holiday? On a holiday in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt. 3: what was Zaid Tariq? He was a tourist from Iraq. 4: what was Zaid Tariq doing? He was, either we said he was floating peacefully 150 meters from the shore, or we can say he was swimming when he saw the shark. 5: what did he feel when he was floating? He felt something push him. 6: why did he fall into the water? He fell into the water because something pushed him up. 7: what did he tell the reporters? He told the reporters that he thought that his airbed hit a piece of wood. 8: what did he see in the water? He saw a shark. 9: what did he try to do? He tried to swim away from the shark. 10: what did the shark do to Zaid? The shark bit his arm. 11: why did he think he was about to die? He thought that because he was losing a lot of blood. 12: what did he do when he lost his blood? Or what did he do when the shark attacked him? He screamed as loud as he could. 13: why did he start praying to God to save him? 14: how was Tariq saved? Or what did the dolphins do? Or we can say, how did the dolphins protect him or protect Tariq? 6 dolphins made a circle around him and frightened the shark. 15: who rescued Tariq? Who saved Tariq? Or who heard Tariq screamed? Jamil al-Alawi, the Coast Guard, rescued him by boat. 16: what did Jamil al-Alawi and his partner Ahmed al-Masri do? They give him first aid, and his partner Ahmed al-Masri called the emergency services. What was waiting Tariq on the shore? An ambulance was waiting for Tariq on the shore and he was immediately taken to the hospital at Sharm el-Sheikh. 18. What did Tariq tell the reporters from his hospital's bed? He told them that it was the most frightening day of his life and that the shark wanted to have him for breakfast, but the dolphin saved him. From the important exercise in the activity book about the text of Zayd Tariq. So A, read the article on page 8 of student's book, then circle the correct answer. هذا التمرين كلش مهم بالوزاري. Number 1, Zayd Tariq was on a holiday, of course. 2, when he was attacked by the shark, he was lying on a plastic mattress. He was lying on plastic mattress. 3, Tariq was bitten by the shark. 4, 6 dolphins protected Tariq. Tariq was rescued means saved by sea. 6, when he got back to dry land, he was taken to get medical attention. Medical attention, معالجة طبية.